St Andrew Technical and the Cavalier striker Omar Laing is dead. Laing, who represented Staths in last season's Manning Cup, was gunned down in Kingston on Friday afternoon, incidentally the same day he was celebrating his 18th birthday. The young striker made his debut for Cavalier 2 weeks ago in the Jamaica Premier League. The killing took place just hours after he did a medical with Cavalier ahead of their CONCACAF Club Championship assignments, for which he was due to travel in the Dominican Republic on May 12. Now, TVJ Sports understands that the incident took place outside his home, where a birthday party was being held for him. A tearful Staths coach Philip Williams was in disbelief when we caught up with him.
Omar is one of our brightest prospects, one that we had no doubt would have made it to the national level. As you know, the Staths family is a very tight, close family, and these boys are like my own blood. We do everything together, and to get the news this evening of his passing and the way it happened really have all of us in shock, disbelief, even.
TVJ Sports hereby sends its condolences to the family and friends of Laing.